Hello my beautiful friends, this is one of my favorite videos that I do. Welcome, my name is Christina Marie from Beauty on My Bee. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, and spoilers and giveaways. So, anything beauty related. So, today we have an unboxing and a giveaway in this video for you. We are unboxing the Fab Fit Fun mystery bundle from their sale into spring sale that they recently had. Speaking of which, their edit sale is coming up pretty quick, and as soon as I can find out what all the add-ons are for that, I'll be hooking you guys up and letting you know that as well. So for that one, you're gonna wanna make sure you grab your favorite cocktail, alcoholic or non-alcoholic, and sit back because it'll probably be a longer video. Anywho, I'm just all geeked out right now. And if you watched the test tube new beauty unboxing that I did, there's a giveaway in that one as well. You'll understand why I'm geeked out. You'll understand why I have the purple and gold on my eyes for the supporting the team that did some stuff today. Anyway, if you are new here, welcome. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of March, it is the Ace Beauty Nostalgia palette. I'll put a link for this in the description box down below, as well as my many other giveaways I've got going on. All that information is in the description box. I've got a big one in there for our 2-year anniversary, so make sure to check that out as well. Giveaways are really easy. Watch the videos in their entirety, be subscribed. Somewhere in here will be a secret word that you're gonna need to know. So FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box. I do have a couple of starter boxes to give away. So how the FabFitFun starter boxes work is, right now they only ship to the United States, Canada, and the United Kingdom. So what you do is you give me your email, name and email. I'll send that off to FabFitFun. FabFitFun will send you an email saying, hey, Christina recommended you to us. And you get a starter box that's over $75 in value, and all you have to do is pay for shipping. You do sign up for the subscription service, but you do have 21 days to cancel that subscription if you want to. I've been a member of FabFitFun for years. I absolutely love them. They're great. They're great and really easy to work with. So, like I said before, they are seasonal subscription, and it's $49 a season. I do have a code if you'd like to check out FabFitFun. They'll bring that down to $39 for your first box. That code is in the description box as down below as well. So it's normally $49 a season. If you do pay for either 6 months or a year in advance, it brings those totals down. Obviously, the longer out you go, the more discount that you can get. And you also, by doing that, get more customization choices when it's time to choose what will be, our next box will be the summer box. So when they have their sales and when they have their edit sales, and they always do a sale, kind of like an add-on sale for every box they do. They have things that you can add on for great prices. And one of the things that I try and pick up, it's $29, is a mystery bundle. I have no idea what's in here. Sometimes I've had awesome mystery bundles. Other times not so much. So we are giving away one of the items in here. I haven't peeked. I don't even know which one yet. I do know that they don't send a card with their mystery bundles, so I'm going to have to look up each one as I'm kind of talking to you about it. So let's dive in. So if you see me looking down, it's because I've got my iPad down here to pull up what we have going on. The first item is pretty large. Wow. It is a brush set. A 10-piece is from Ayla. I don't know if I pronounced that right. It is a 10-piece luxurious makeup brush set in rose gold. It does retail for $61.99. And meet Ayla's luxurious 10-piece makeup brush set with its metallic rose gold look and soft bristles. This set will be perfect gift for the makeup lover. The perfect brush set contains everything you will ever need to do your makeup, from foundation to powder to eyeshadow, even lips and more. The brushes are made with comfortable handles and grade A laser cut microfiber bristles. They have been designed and tested by a professional team of makeup artists and has been ergonomically designed to fit perfectly in your hands and ensure flawless application. So it does come with a powder brush, a foundation brush, a blush brush, a contour brush, a flat eyeshadow brush, a bevel eyeshadow brush, an eyeshadow brush, a blending eyeshadow brush, a bevel eyebrow brush, and a lip brush. I think this is really, really cool. Love it. You guys know I love the Soon skincare masks. So this is a hydrating watermelon lip mask. This set does retail for $38. How many lip masks are in here? 20. There's 20 lip masks in here. Great if you're having a girls' night or something. Your pout's never been so pampered. Hydrating, skin softening, watermelon infused lip mask is ideal for stressed, sun-parched skin, a must-have lip treatment to diminish fine lines, hydrate the entire mouth area, and gently exfoliate the skin of the lips for smoother lip liner, lipstick, or gloss application. How cute is this packaging? And then all your lip masks are stored inside. Duper duper cute. Ah, that's so cute. I'd want to set it like this, kind of like on my vanity, but I don't know if some of that serum would leak out, because I know it's sealed underneath, so I don't know. But this is super, super cute. How cool are these? I've seen them when I get brushes and they come with stuff like this. So this is the Variety Pack Clear of the Brush Guard. And it does retail for $10. You get 1 large, 2 medium, 2 small, and 1 extra small brush guard. The brush guard protects the vulnerable bristles of your makeup brushes, made of stretchable, breathable, recycled material. The brush guard makes it easy to retain their shape of brush when not in use or after cleaning. So what it does, it kind of helps the brushes to last longer, bristles dry in perfect shape, great for storage, great for traveling, and made in the USA, eco-friendly, made from recycled materials. Love, love it. So far I'm really impressed with the mystery bundle. I've never heard of a nail mask, especially a sleep nail mask. So this is from London Town, USA. It is their Beauty Sleep Nail Mask. It does retail for $20. And Beauty Sleep Nail Mask, super active fermented treatment, nourishes, regenerates, and moisturizes cuticles for a natural glow, vegan, cruelty-free. It sounds kind of cool. Have you guys ever had it? And it's not the cuticle, it's this outer layer, like right down here. It's like really rough on me for whatever reason, and it's been that way for a long time. And it doesn't matter how much moisturizer or anything I put on that. If you have any recommendations, let me know. So total of the box came to $117.99. You only paid $29 for the mystery bundle. Pretty good deal. Secret word is purple. So let's do the brush guards, because I already have quite a few of these, and I want for one of you guys to try these out as well. So my giveaways are really easy. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill out that Google form. Make sure to put on it your YouTube name so I can verify, yes, you are subscribed to the channel. And then also put that secret word in the Google form as well. Do not put that secret word in the comments down below, or your entry will be deleted. And if you fill out more than one entry, that will that will disqualify you as well. I can't even talk today. So let's have this giveaway go through April 11th, midnight Mountain Standard Time. And then on April 14th, we'll do the spin the wheel. You guys seem to like it when I do that, where I'll put in the people's names. And when I put in the people's names, I only put first name and first initial of their last name. I just find it safer that way. And then I will put in there if they have bonus entries. How do you get bonus entries? If you go follow me over on Instagram, that handle is beauty Ama, A-M-A, and the letter B. And if you share this video, that'll give you an extra bonus entry as well. I'm trying really hard to grow the channel here, trying to get those watch time minutes up. That's where I'm lagging behind the most, so I can get this monetized so I can do more amazing fun stuff for you. I love giving back. I love brightening somebody's day. If you can do me a favor, if you can hit that bell button and mark it so that way you can receive, mark it to all, so that way you can receive notifications from YouTube. And if you are watching this on a mobile device, if you can go into your settings and mark it that you can receive notifications, because I want you guys to know when I upload, and I definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways. This giveaway is open internationally. I am, though, not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damage, anything extra for it to get to you. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. You must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. YouTube will now go ahead and insert a couple of their videos for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate it if you were to check them out. I hope that you have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe, take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Bye.